Trial of a man accused of selling synthetic drugs out of a local head shop called Exotica continued in federal court today. Today, the prosecution showed the jury some of the stash. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski was there.
For 2 weeks, the jury has heard arguments against and for 48-year-old John Ways Jr. as to whether or not the Exotica stores he ran were selling illegal synthetic drugs or drug paraphernalia. Joshua Wellborn operated the Council Bluffs store for Ways for almost a year and a half. He testified about 90 to 95% of the store's sales were from herbal incense, the alleged synthetic drugs or K2 that people would smoke. Before the stores were raided in September 2012, customers would buy a pipe, filter, and herbal incense at the same time every day. Employees allegedly had a don't ask policy. Ways was initially hesitant about selling pipes at the Iowa store. Wellborn testified, quote, he said that he wanted to check on the legality status because he didn't want to do anything outside of the law and get us in trouble. The defense had Wellborn read dozens of lab reports that came with the herbal incense, stating their chemical makeup. Defense attorney Don Shency said labs like American International Biotechnology were DEA approved. Wellborn reacted saying, quote, I just find it kind of funny that 99% of them use the same template. All those different companies use the same lab. Jurors got to see hundreds of packets of suspected K2 seized in the raids from the stores and from a U-Haul parked behind the 72nd Street location.
Jake Wazakowski reporting. The trial will continue on Monday. The prosecution is expected to rest its case.